a matter on which we've reflected very carefully and closely, and we believe that at the present juncture it's important that we state this on behalf of the government very clearly and precisely, and this is what we have to say. The recent incident of the killing of 2 Indian soldiers in the Medha sector and the barbaric mutilation of their bodies has been condemned in the strongest possible terms. Government has deplored this grave provocation and repugnant act of the Pakistan Army and called on the government of Pakistan to carry out a proper investigation of this unacceptable action and ensure that this does not recur. This was immediately conveyed by our Director General Military Operations to his Pakistani counterpart after this incident and reiterated during the brigadier level flag meeting held at Chakanda Bagh yesterday. Foreign Secretary had summoned the Pakistan High Commissioner on January 9th, the day after this heinous incident, and lodged a strong protest on the actions of the Pakistan Army. It should not be felt that the brazen denial and the lack of a proper response from the government of Pakistan to our repeated démarches on this incident will be ignored and that bilateral relations could be unaffected or that there will be business as usual. Such actions by the Pakistan Army, which are in contravention of all norms of international conduct, not only constitute a grave provocation, but lead us to draw appropriate conclusions about Pakistan's seriousness in pursuing normalization of relations with India. Thank you.
आप एक मिनट ठहर जाइए. दो सवाल, एक हिंदी में और एक अंग्रेजी में. तो आप पहले हिंदी में सवाल पूछिए.
सलमान साहब, जिस तरह की घटना पाकिस्तान के द्वारा की गई है, उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि सरकार की तरफ से लगातार प्रोटेस्ट दर्ज किया गया, लेकिन पाकिस्तान की हायर अथॉरिटी की तरफ से अभी तक कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आया. पाकिस्तान लगातार ये कह रहा है कि भारत की तरफ से फैलाया गया एक प्रोपेगेंडा है.
हम जितना स्पष्ट शब्दों में और उसके साथ जो हमारे पास तथ्य थे उनको स्पष्ट रूप से पाकिस्तान के अधिकारियों के सामने रख सकते थे, वो हमने रखे हैं. और इसी कारण आज हम ये बात आपके सामने रख रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम अपना दायित्व समझते हैं, मानते हैं कि हमको बहुत समझदारी, सूझबूझ और दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ इस स्थिति का सामना करना है. और यही कारण है कि हमने ये बात आपके सामने रखी है. आगे स्थिति में क्या परिवर्तन आता है और आगे और कोई कार्रवाई देखने को मिलती है तो वो उसके बारे में भी हम आपको पूरी सूचना देंगे.
One in English, Karthik. Just hold on, please.
You said that it's not going to be business as usual. So, what tangibles is the government talking about?
Well, it's best that we leave it at this point, and I think specifics of what might be necessary or found useful are decisions that will be taken as we move forward. At present, we feel that it's important that a convergent single point of view on behalf of the government, which reflects a large section of our public opinion, should be made clear and let it be known to everyone here as well as across the border that we are extremely determined and serious in this concern of ours, and we have taken resort to all such instruments and all such methods that are available to us at this time.
देखिए, नहीं, इसके बारे में मंत्री महोदय ने जवाब दे दिया है. एंड एट दिस स्टेज वी विल ब्रिंग दिस इवेंट टू एन एंड. एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज दैट After this, we will not be issuing any further statements. So you have this on the record. We will also put it on our website. It should be available to you in the next 5 minutes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We'll talk later.